Hey y'all, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. This wig was sent to me from Unice hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested, I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the links in my description box. So right there was just me showing you what came in the packaging. And of course, this is the wig fresh out of the packaging. Here's the construction. This is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it is their asymmetrical bob. I'm not really a fan of like the one side longer than the other side, but we're about to see, how this all turn out. Now, this is what the wig looks like on my head, and as you can see, this says it's they say it's pre-plucked, but y'all, where did this look pre-plucked at? Please tell me. Okay, I guess I can see it a little bit once I pull the hair back, but for me, I'm going to go in and pluck some of the hairline a little bit more. And the way they got this side part is looking like a middle part, a side and a middle part put together. So I do put my part deeper, but you can only go but so much off to the side because they don't really give you a lot of lace on the side, but I make it work. So right here I'm adding my lace adhesive, and I'm only putting it on one side. I don't really care about the other side because that side is pretty much covered up. So I just want to, make sure the side that's going to be showing is at its best. So now right here I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm just going to pluck the hairs because as you can see, it didn't really look like it was plucked. And if I'm gonna be wearing this as a little side part, I need it to be looking good, okay? So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna go ahead and pluck some of those hairs out just so it don't look so wiggish. Okay, so this is what we're looking like after we pluck the hairline, and it does look a little bit better. I do feel like I could have went in some more and plucked, some more of the hairline, but I'm gonna chill on that. I'm not really, I'm not that pressed. It actually is doable. Okay, I can achieve what I want to achieve. Alright, so I want to give y'all a heads up. The clips start acting funny acting after this. Yeah, something was wrong when I was uploading the clips. It was taking pieces out. So I'm missing pieces, and that's not my fault. Everything was recorded, but for some reason, see, like now it's skipped to me curling the front of my hair. Like y'all didn't even see that whole part, and I don't understand why it's not showing up on here because it's recorded and it shows it on my camera, but when I upload it, it's not showing that part. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. But yeah, y'all, it's not too bad. Y'all get what I'm doing. But right now I am curling the hair with my flat iron, and I finished the side of the hair with me laying my baby hairs or whatever like that. So y'all ain't really missed too much. This is pretty much simple right here. I'm just curling the hair with my flat iron like I said. And yeah, if you see some parts jump and you like hold up, it's because, yeah, like me, you didn't see me putting on that clip. I do apologize. But yeah, I'm kind of, all right, so right here, I'm going to explain myself. All right, I'm going back over my baby hairs because I want to like set them and, put them in place, kind of fix them up. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then where that clip is, I kind of did like a little finger wave, that's type of vibe going on right there. I think that it came out really cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But yeah, that's why I have that clip right there, because I'm kind of holding it in place. But yeah, I told you, like, it's a little jumpy because some of my footage is just all messed up. But yeah, overall, I really like this. I really like this wig. Like I said, if you do purchase this wig, you're gonna have to, um, customize it because no bleach knots. And I mean, they say the part. I mean, they say the hairline is pre-plucked, but of course, you're gonna have to go in and pluck some more. But these are my end results. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. And I will see y'all in my next video.